everyone, and welcome to Quest for Quiz, the qualifying round for TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's Portmore Missionary Prep from St. Catherine up against Padmore Primary from St. Andrew. I'm your host, Kadeen Foote, and the action begins right now. So earlier we had the coin toss. Portmore Missionary Prep won and decided to send in Padmore Primary first. So we'll begin with Padmore Primary. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Teams will have 10 seconds to answer. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so with that time on the clock, we begin with Bible knowledge. Padmore, who was the second king of Israel?
King Aaron.
Incorrect, it's David. Portmore Missionary, who was the king of Israel when David killed Goliath?
Saul.
Correct. Science. Padmore, what is produced when objects vibrate?
Sound.
Correct. Portmore Missionary, by what means do we produce sound from a guitar string?
Pluck it.
Correct. Jamaican affairs. Padmore, complete the Jamaican proverb. Scornful dog nyam.
Dirty pudding.
Dirty pudding is correct. Portmore, complete the Jamaican proverb. No dash where you stick.
Well, dog on it.
Incorrect, till you cross the river. English language. Padmore, what is the past participle of leave?
Left.
Correct. Portmore Missionary, what is the past participle of hang?
Hung.
That is correct, or hanged would have also been acceptable. Padmore, television for you. In the cartoon series Popeye, what is the name of Popeye's enemy?
Olivia.
Incorrect, it's Brutus or Bluto. Portmore, in the cartoon series Popeye, what is Popeye's profession?
Sailor.
Correct. General knowledge. Padmore, who is the Prime Minister of Barbados?
Mia Motley.
That is correct. Portmore Missionary, who is the Prime Minister of St. Lucia?
Sir Kenneth Blackburn. Yes.
Incorrect, it's Philip Pierre. We move on to social studies. Padmore, in which Caribbean country is the Piarco International Airport?
St. Lucia and the Grenadines.
Incorrect, it's Trinidad and Tobago. Portmore Missionary, in which Caribbean country is the Maurice Bishop International Airport?
Grenada.
Correct. Music. Padmore, what is the name for the highest female voice?
Soprano.
Correct. Portmore Missionary, what is the name for the deepest male voice?
Tenor.
Incorrect, it's bass. Mathematics. Padmore, what is the sum of 17.9 and 4.7?
$75.6.
Incorrect, it's 22.6. Portmore Missionary, what is the sum of 11.8 and 6.9?
$18.7.
Correct. Sports. Padmore, in which sport is the Headley Cup awarded in Jamaica?
Football.
Incorrect, it's cricket. Portmore Missionary, in which sport is the Manning Cup awarded in Jamaica?
Track and field.
Incorrect, it's football. Jamaican affairs. Padmore, who is the mayor of Portmore in St. Catherine?
Sir Andrew Wheatley.
Incorrect, it's Leon Thomas. Portmore Missionary, who is the mayor of Montego Bay in St. James?
Yeah. It's not Winston. When you say something. Winston Mara.
Incorrect, it's Leroy Williams. Sports, and we won't get to that question. We come to the end of section 1 with the score showing Portmore Missionary Prep on 6 and Padmore Primary right behind on 5. Stay with us. TVJ's Quest for Quiz returns after these messages.